Or how about this moron, Jim Pellis, who was staying at the Omni Mount Washington Resort and Spa in Bretton Woods, New Hampshire, and while he was there on March 25th, in addition to soaking in the nature, he decided to key Kerry Puyo's Cybertruck.
You didn't key that Tesla?
No.
Okay. Well, we have one.
Okay.
Yeah, that's Jim Pellis, Regional Sales Director for Armor Code.
So he works for an AI security company, and he doesn't know that Teslas have cameras. That alone should be why Armor Code should fire him, not to mention him being a criminal.
Well, it appears Armor Code got the memo.
Are you sick of scrolling?
Watch the whole thing here.